I can write a ratio to compare quantities. A ratio is a comparison of two quantities. The ratio of fish to turtles is, well, quantities means the amount. So we're going to count up the fish, and we're going to do fish first because that is the first word. Then we'll count the turtles. So for fish, we have 1, 2, 3. And turtles, there's 1, 2. So we're going to write our ratio as 3 to 2. There's 3 fish compared to 2 turtles. For this one, the ratio of crabs to fish, well, the word crabs comes first, so we're going to count those first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Compared to the fish, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 4 crabs and 5 fish. So we're going to write that as 4 to 5. And we have to make sure that the number of crabs comes first and the number of fish comes second to match the words. The ratio of turtles to seahorses is, we're going to count the turtles first, 1. Then the seahorses, 1, 2. So 1 to 2. The ratio of crabs to all animals. Let's count the crabs first. 1, 2, 3, 4. All animals. Do I count the crabs? Yep. Crabs are part of all of these animals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 4 crabs compared to 13 total animals. The ratio of turtles to not turtles. So we have to figure out how many of these animals are turtles. 1. And how many of them are not turtles? Well, we just counted there's 13 total animals. So 1 turtle is, the other 12 are not turtles. So 1 to 12. The ratio of crabs to fish. Crabs, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. And for a fish, there's 4 plus 4, which is 8. So 4 to 8. But we can simplify this. We can divide both 4 and 8 by 4. That's a common factor. Or you could also divide them both by 2 and by 2 again. And we would get 1 to 2. Okay? That means for every 1 crab, there's 2 fish. And you can kind of see that in the picture. Each crab has 2 fish diagonally away from it. Okay, but we have to be careful that we don't accidentally say half, because half of the animals here are not crabs. Okay, so it's 1 to 2. For every 1 crab, there are 2 fish. And that's what that box says under there as well. All right, and lastly, the ratio of fish or turtles to stingrays. So we have to figure out how many of the animals are either a fish or a turtle. Well, this one's a fish or a turtle. This one's a fish or a turtle. This is a fish or a turtle. And this, and this, and this, and this. So 7 of these animals are either a fish or a turtle. Then for the stingrays, just 1. So the ratio is 7 to 1.